hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey everybody, here we are at Disney for Disney's Very Merriest After Hours. It's about to start here soon. We just got done with the evening fireworks. As you can see, the castle's right there behind us. But there's all kinds of crazy things going on tonight. So there's free hot chocolate, free gingerbread cookies, free popcorn, free snacks, all throughout the park. The lines for the rides are shorter because it's a limited amount of people that are in. You do have to get a wristband when you first come in to be able to go to everything. Tonight's color is blue. But yeah, we're just super excited to see what happens tonight and the fun shows. There's different shows, there's different fireworks. So we're just looking forward to seeing what everything brings.
Yeah, also we're gonna see the parade, the fireworks, and there are some shows in front of the castle. And also you can take a picture with some characters and with Santa. So we're gonna try to look in the Santa. I love you too.
Now we are waiting to take some pictures with Santa Claus. Those pictures go directly to your photo pass. Hey guys, now we're gonna see Mickey and Minnie's Very Merry Memories. This show is in front of the castle and has 4-hour shows.
Yeah, you know what they say, the more the merrier.
It's snow. It's snowing. Bravo! Happy holidays! It's very nice, the show. I love it, the show.
Happy holidays! Please stop reading.
We hope your holiday season is filled with happiness and how family to celebrate. And we hope you're merry. See you real soon.
Better not cry.
where we see the candy can, we can ask for our hot chocolate and some cookies.
So guys, we are now at the carousel. We are just 20 minutes to the fireworks. So we're gonna do this one and then we go to the fireworks. And after that we're gonna go to see Little Stitch dancing. They are from Alice and the Wonder World.
For everyone to enjoy. Somebody sing it, come on! Yeah, you got it out there, Magic Kingdom, come on! Everybody on the dance floor, buddy, clap those hands to the beat, let's go, come on! That's right, come on, hey! Let's get it, let's go! Let's get it up! Let's get it up! Yeah, man! Jump out there, so perfect fast of yours, man. We should go fishing. We should go fishing.
There is a Snow White dancing.
At the park, there are some places where you can take some Christmas pictures.
I've been keeping
Oh, it's snowing! Yay! This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and share with your friends.
Bye bye. See you in next adventure.